Mustang Coupe.
Now they're all incorporated into the cars, except for, no, it'd have to be a kit car or something. No, there's no production car that does that anymore. Look at this, it's got rust on it. That's called patina. That, believe it or not, that car is more valuable because it's been left alone.
The owner of this collection, he doesn't believe in any kind of heavy duty restoration. You never really get your money back out of it.
Yeah, it's true.
And so these cars have been preserved. They've been rescued from the fields, the barns, and brought into a climate controlled environment where people 300 years from now could enjoy the fun Americana that this man spent his life collecting.
Yeah, and the videos too. And long after I'm dead, these videos are probably going. And it's a little tough to see through the glass because of the reflection, but we're doing a roundabout now in the mall. I'm trying to give you a perspective of just how big this place is.
And we're still picking up back here in the mid-30s. There's another Pierce, and you can see
the headlights.
The headlights.
Yeah. Oh, it's even got the front end damage too. It's kind of cool in a way.
And then about 37 here, Chevrolet started to do a similar
cone-shaped headlight. That didn't probably happen in the 30s. How cool is that?
Aerodynamics became more important during this era.
And this is 1936 Pontiac Master Series 6BB four-door sedan. Yeah, I'm reading off the boards, okay?
Cue cards.
Yeah, I'd like to say I know all these answers, but I don't. There's the horns, those are cool. Wow, you can just walk around and look at these things, guys. The mall is open for you to visit anytime. What are the hours of the mall?
We are open 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Wednesday, we are here late. We have a car show every Wednesday from 4 to 8 p.m. And then Saturday from 8 a.m. until noon.
All right.
You could also call me at 610-207-6100 to schedule a private showing on a Saturday afternoon or a Sunday. I live just on the other side of the fence from the property. I've lived here for 20 years.
Nice. All right, so let's roll. Let's roll these cars here from the front ends now. So you can see they've got all kinds of different years. But and there are barn finds in here. I found out from Stuart. So when we see them, of course, I'll show them to you because we all get excited about barn finds. 327.